Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool uh, which is a must for WhatsApp users in desktop or on web. So if you're a user who is using WhatsApp in your laptop, then you should try this out, or in your desktop. It is a Chrome extension called WA Web Plus for WhatsApp. It gives you a lot of functionalities and features. So it is a Chrome extension. You can easily install it in your Chrome browser. So you can go here to the website, and it will give you a lot of functionalities that is not even available in the app. So the main functionalities to talk about is the privacy improvement feature. So if you are using WhatsApp web, and if you don't want other people to see what are the messages that you have received, there is an option to blur it. So you can blur your private information from the screen, contact name, conversation, photos, etc. So if you just hover over it, at that time it will show up. So you can play voices and status posts without informing the senders that you played them. You can disable the read receipts. You can hide your typing information in online status. You can even restore the deleted text messages. Protecting your WhatsApp, you can protect your WhatsApp with a password. There are customizations like and reaction buttons like in Facebook, notifying and highlighting contacts there. There is ability to start conversation with non-contacts, pinning of unlimited chats, speed up voice messaging playback. There is business tools like broadcasting, smart replies, scheduled messages, group tools like cloning, destroying the groups, bulk joining of groups, and you can export the tools like export tools are there like export all contacts, chats. There are various other functionalities. If you go in here, you can see various other functionalities. There is even CRM integration using dynamic variables. So all these features and functionality you can get by using this Chrome plugin. So this is the plugin. I'll just show this website where the Chrome store. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.